This tutorial will cover pre-counting found in your Index Parkway IVIS user manual. Pre-counting defines the timestamp duration of cars entering pre-counted sections. Generate traffic for quick manual changes of the occupation data. Some sections in your parking facility may have combined single-space administration and pre-counting via a vehicle counting device, such as an induction loop that Index installed at the entry to the section. The benefit of this configuration is that the signs at the entry to the section count down the space immediately when a car enters the section, and not only after the car has found a free space. The pre-counting settings allow you to define a queue timeout each car gets when it enters the pre-counted section. When the car parks within the queue timeout under a sensor, it is deleted from the pre-count. When the queue timeout of a car expires, without detecting a newly parked car under a sensor, this car is deleted from the pre-count, since it can't be assumed that it is not parking on a sensor-monitored space. Thus, the real occupancy communicated from the sensors is permanently correcting the count information of the signs. When a car leaves a bay, on the other hand, the responsible signs count up one free space immediately. You can identify sections with pre-counting through the pre-counting symbols found here. The first figure shows the number of cars which have passed the passage counter and are now on their way to a free space. The second figure shows the number of cars which have just left their space and are on their way to exit. Define queue timeout. First, select the section with pre-counting in the site structure. In the site structure, click on the underlined number of occupied spaces of the section. A pop-up window appears. Queue timeout. Set the timeout in minutes. Note the optimal timeout value depends on the size of your parking facility. To find out the best possible timeout value, drive from the entrance of your car park to the farthest bay and stop the time. This is the maximum time a car might need to get to a free bay. Generate traffic. In case you want to make a quick manual change of the occupation data of a pre-counted section temporarily, or increase the number of occupied spaces, you can generate virtual traffic. For example, if too many cars are waiting at the entry barrier. In the field Generate Traffic, enter the number of cars you want to simulate having driven in. Confirm with OK. After the queue timeout has expired, all artificially generated traffic will be deleted. The system is, so to speak, self-correcting. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. For more information on how to use your Index Parkway IVIS user manual, please feel free to watch more videos on our exclusive YouTube channel.